Ball State University provides educational opportunities for undergraduates that may not be available at a smaller institution, but with the personal touch that is often absent at a large college. One example of that is the Public History program. And at Ball State, you can get an undergraduate degree and an internship experience that propels you directly to the workforce without graduate school. Come see us at the Public History Exhibition Workshop.
All right, welcome to The Few. Here we are in the Public History Exhibit Works. This is a real complement to our program. Our Public History program was founded in 1988. It is the oldest undergraduate public history program in the country. And The Few, just now a year old, is really the laboratory for our public history students to focus on those skills that we need in public history, like communicating with the public in easy to understand ways, exhibiting three-dimensional objects, conducting research behind the scenes, offering tours to visitors. The list goes on and on.
Yeah, Ball State Public History has this large connection with the community, and one of that connections is with the Public History Exhibit Works that we have here. It allows students to build exhibits that are connected and tied in with all these community organizations, and that's one of the great things about Ball State and public history, that we do tie in Muncie to Ball State University, especially with these exhibits and these large collaborative projects with students and the cohort of public history students.
Working on this exhibit, it's really helped me improve my writing style for the public. Now I know how to write in a nice, clear, concise style. Not only that, I'm a public history major, so I really know what my future career options are, and it also just prepares me for my future internship.
I'm proud to say that I've been a part of every single exhibit that we've done. We've done 3 so far. First one was Otto, Indiana. Then the next one we did was Civil War. And now the one that's live right now is Eating and Drinking Star Wars. And throughout this entire experience, which has spanned now 3 semesters, I can say that I have honed my ability to research objects, figure out how to present them best to the public, and really understand the behind the scenes of how to put on exhibits.